Hi there, thanks for tuning in. I'm excited to give you a walkthrough of DesignVortex360, the all-in-one design suite that makes creating high-quality visuals, animations, and graphics easier than ever before. Whether you're a marketer, entrepreneur, or someone who just wants to create stunning designs without needing a design degree, DesignVortex360 is exactly what you're looking for. Today I'll show you how just powerful this tool is and how you can take advantage of an incredible one-time lifetime access offer. Let's jump in and explore all the tools you'll get with DesignVortex 360. So basically right here you're going to get 9 groundbreaking design tools bundled into one suite. Each tool has been designed to make your creative process faster, easier, and more impactful. You can see this is the sales page. You can get a lot of information just on everything. So we're going to do a quick overview of all the 9 apps that you'll be getting. So starting with number 1, you'll get this great all-in-one Mockup Designer. With over 7,000 ready-made templates, you can quickly create stunning visuals for every platform, social media, websites, e-commerce, you name it. The templates are perfectly sized for all major platforms, so no more adjusting or cropping images to fit. Just select, customize, and you're done. And also there's videos too here that you can see on the sales page when you come over. But moving on to the second app is the logo maker. You'll basically be getting a very powerful logo creation tool that is for anybody who needs logos fast. It's AI technology, and it's powered by machine learning to create 50 unique logo options instantly. Just enter your brand name, and DesignVortex 360 will generate a set of logos for you to choose from. You can even customize colors, fonts, shapes to make it your own. No more spending hundreds on logo design. The next technology is the live motion moving photos. And they let you bring your photos to life with animation effects like snow, rain, smoke, and more. Animated visuals are proven to boost engagement up to 10 times compared to static images. Imagine turning a simple photo into a moving masterpiece that captures attention instantly. So these are great for running advertisements on social media, really getting people to stop scrolling and look at what it is you're trying to sell. And then the next technology we have here for the is app number 4. It's a one-click background remover, and it's another game changer. You can remove any background from an image in seconds thanks to AI-driven edge detection. This is perfect for product photos, social media, or even profile pictures. Just upload an image, click, and the background disappears. No complex editing skills required. And then we got the next technology here is the Slick Image Editor. This app basically lets you enhance, resize, and add filters to any photo, turning dull or blurry visuals into stunning images ready for social media, print, or your website. So it's like having a full-featured image editor at your fingertips without the steep learning curve or traditional editing software. Moving on to the app 6 is a magic object remover, and this allows you to erase any unwanted objects, people, or elements from your photos effortlessly. Just highlight what you want to remove and let DesignVortex 360 do the rest. This is amazing for cleaning up images and making them look flawless. And you can see a few examples here. And obviously, like every other app, you can watch these little videos as well when you come to the sales page. But moving on to the next technology that's included is the animated ads builder. If you want to create ads that truly stand out, this is the tool for you. You can design animated ads in a fraction of the time it would take with other tools. You can add transitions, effects, text, and animations to your ads with just a few clicks. It's perfect for social media, display ads, or even client projects. The next technology that's included is app number 8. It's pixel perfect, and it's one of the most impressive features is this pixel perfect tool, which instantly transforms any image, even low quality ones, into ultra HD high resolution visuals. So this really means that you can scale your images to any size without losing quality, making it ideal for everything from social media posts to large format prints. So, if you have a blurry image that you just think will never blow up to a massive size, even if you need to make it like a poster, this app will transform that image and allow you to get, poster quality, very large size images that look great. It's truly magic, to be honest. And the last technology you'll get with DesignVortex 360 is a Video Survey Pro. And this app lets you collect video testimonials and feedback directly on your website. It's perfect for gathering real, engaging responses from clients or team members to help streamline your projects and gather authentic feedback without relying on outdated methods. And so, that's a quick rundown of every 9 of the apps that are included with DesignVortex 360. But that's not all. DesignVortex 360 offers lifetime access with just a one-time payment. Most other tools out there come with hefty monthly fees, and they usually offer just one or two of these features. With DesignVortex 360, you're getting all 9 apps, unlimited usage, and no recurring fees. Plus, each tool supports multiple languages, so you can create and sell designs to a global audience. With DesignVortex 360, you can create, customize, and profit from your designs without spending thousands on separate apps. So, if you're ready to elevate your design game now, is the perfect time to grab DesignVortex 360 since this lifetime offer won't last long. So take advantage of it while it's still available. Just click the link below to get instant access and start creating high impact visuals that stand out and sell. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see the incredible designs you create with DesignVortex 360. Don't wait, click below to secure your lifetime access now.